Hey everyone, this is Snowstorm URI Thursday, and right now it is not snowing, but the sun's out at least. And look at how much snow. I'm amazed at how much snow we got. Icicles are finally melting, so hopefully some snow will melt so I can go to work. Look at the fence. Gosh, it looks bad. Okay, so I'm gonna get Jonathan to send me his video if he can. But Jonathan went out and from MSOP and from the stairs and showed us. But look, there is snow even now near the front porch. Look at this. Look how bad. Literally.